Okay, gentlemen, let's go. Make sure you write that accurate date. Hi. Good. Who are you paying it to? Stay on the line. Okay. Mason, you're writing really tiny. You see all of that space? Write a little larger, okay? Okay. Good. Good. Okay, so you have to go back to that. I need you to bring that number down because you want to put that 00XX, okay? So you can give 2,000, okay? Okay, now the 0, right? Okay, great. So that's 2,000. Signature, signature. Make sure everything is in cursive. The XX is at the bottom. Be consistent. On a check, you must always be consistent. The cents are up top, 00, and XX at the bottom. All right. Now, what are you writing the check for? Good. Publix. Okay. Okay, good job, Mason. Just work on writing your name a little larger, and I want you to work on your signature this weekend, okay? Excellent. Now, do you see Damia Smith? There's a whole lot of space there that somebody could write in, okay? Always. Now, what about, okay, gotcha. Great. Now, you don't have to do it for the date because the date is the date, right? All right. Excellent job, gentlemen. Woo! Good job.